Hey there lovely viewers, today is my day 17th of hashtag 30 days of talking to camera challenge. The date today is 8th of August 2023. So let's start the video before wasting any time. In the previous few videos I have talked about linked list, covered all the different types of linked list, that is circular linked list, doubly linked list, doubly circular linked list, singly linked list, and all the various types of problems that we can find in the linked list. I have also covered some searching and sorting algorithms. So today in this video I will be talking about stack. This video won't be that much long as compared to my previous videos because stack is not that much a big topic. Stack is just a small topic and which you can understand very easily, like it's really very simple. So let's, without wasting any time, let's start our topic. So what is stack? Stack is a basic data structure that organizes the data in LIFO form. What is LIFO? LIFO simply is last in first out form. The element inserted in the stack will be first to remove from it. That is, the last element which I have inserted in the stack would be the first to remove from it, and the element which was inserted at the first would be removed last. The real life analogy of this stack, you can imagine something as stack of plates kept one on the each other, one upon the other. Suppose the plate which was kept at the last would be removed first, and likewise, and the plate which was kept first would be at the bottom, and that plate would be removed at the last. Now let's take one more example. Suppose you have given a basket and you have three balls, green ball, red ball, and blue ball. Suppose now first you put the green ball in it, then you put the red ball above it, then you put the blue ball above it. So the blue ball came last, and now when you have to empty the basket, then what you will do? You will first remove the blue ball, then the red ball, then the green ball. Likewise, you will empty the stack. Stack allow you to only access the top element. The elements that are at the bottom of the stack are the one that are going to stack for the longest time. So I hope this makes more sense because we can only access the top element of the stack. In Java, stack is an abstract data type, and stack allows following operations which we can use in Java language. So the operations which we can implement in stacks are push operation, pop operation, top operation, isEmpty operation, and size operation. So these are 5 operations which we can perform in stack in Java. So what is push operation? Push operation basically means push. So what you understand by push? Push means putting the element in the stack. What is pop operation? Pop operation simply means removing an element of the stack. Pop means, you can simply imagine, like from the term pop means bursting. So bursting the element, that is removing the top element. So top element, using the top element we can just see the top element. The top element would be there in the stack, it would not get removed from the stack, and by using pop method the element would be removed from the stack. IsEmpty method. IsEmpty method would check if whether the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, then the IsEmpty method would return true, and if the stack is not empty, then the IsEmpty method would return false. Now the size method. The size method would simply return the size of the stack. The size of the stack means how many elements are present there in the stack. So I hope all this was clear. Now you may have one question in your mind, that I have understood stack, but how can I implement it? Is stack a different data structure like arrays and linked list? No, stack is not a different data structures like array in linked list. Unlike array and linked list, but we could implement stack using arrays and linked list. But we should always keep in mind that if I am implementing stack using array, then the length of my stack would always be fixed. But in the case of a linked list, there is no such limit of elements in it can contain. So we should remember, like we should note one more point, is that when a stack is implemented using an array, top of the stack is managed using an index variable called top. When the stack is implemented using a linked list, pop and push operation is implemented using insert at the head and the linked list and remove the head from the linked list. Now I have already said that stack works on first in LIFO operation, that is last in and first out. So last in the linked list would be insert at the head, and first out as the linked list would be removed from the head. So in the linked list we should just add two methods, that is for inserting at head and for deleting at head, and I can rename that method as push and pop. Inserting at head would be push, and the deleting from the head would be pop. So in this way we can implement stack using linked list. I hope this was clear. Let's keep the video till this today only. Let's keep the video short. In the tomorrow's video I will discuss some problems on this stack. Currently the time is 11:30 p.m. and I am very tired. I am not able to speak more because my neck is hurting, my throat is hurting. I have been speaking for a long. I have been taking 2 minutes today, so I am very tired and I don't feel like that I have the energy to speak more. I think I should let's keep it only till this. And one more thing is that I have been recording the videos for 17 days straight, and with each day approaches I feel more motivated and more positive to record the videos. It really makes me feel happy. I feels like recording a video is my passion, and it have built a discipline inside me. So I appreciate you guys for sharing your views in the comment section, and if anyone is watching the videos, it makes me feel really happy. Even if there is one view or two view in my video, it makes me feel really very happy. So thank you anyone who has watched the video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.